Just so you guys know, this is going to be a clusterfuck. Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are testing out Kat Von D's new, these are the 24-hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomades. I have the colors Magenta and Lemmy Green just because. I'm not gonna lie. I got these really to experiment. I'm not a huge brow junkie. I don't do anything fancy to my brows. I usually just fill them in a little bit and call it a day. But I always wondered what it would look like if my hair was green at one point. I always thought, ooh, I wonder what it'd look like if I did my eyebrows green, or my hair is pink, and I always wonder what it'd look like if my brows were pink. And I've tried these once so far. I did actually just one on each brow. I think my problem is I don't know what look you can really do with them, but I mean, they're makeup, so I mean, there's no rules. I can do whatever the fuck I want with them. So I guess I'm just gonna try them out for you now, and we can decide together if they're a yay or a nay. This isn't my first impression because I've tried them once already, and I really did actually like them the first time I used them, but I mean, I just didn't go into depth with them. I tried to put them on and see how easily they applied, and they really were like kind of foolproof. So I figure these colors go together. I could probably get away with either or, so we're just gonna get into it. I've combed through my brows. Now I'm using a NARS angled 38 brush. All right, so we're gonna go in with the magenta first. Oh, there's like a cop outside my house. All right, so we're gonna go in with magenta first. So I'm just kind of outlining them right from the get-go. All right, so there's one. It's very creamy. Like, it's very easily picked up and distributed. And I mean, overall, it is very easy to apply. I think I just have to actually like figure out what my eye shape is, like my brow shape. A little brush through to soften it a little bit. This one I feel like is total F up. I actually did go back through this one and just kind of soften the bottom over here a little bit, but like I said, I'm not a brow pro, so bear with me. What do you guys think? This color, yes, no? And also I want to know your opinions on what kind of eye looks would you think would go with pink brows? I mean, I don't want to just do all pink when I wear pink brows or all green when I wear the green brows, so I'd really love your opinion, so let me know in the box below if you have any. And I think we're gonna end with the green because I just have a thing for this green. I think it's gorgeous. I wish it was the same thing. I wish it was like a teeny bit darker or deeper colored, but I still think it's fun. So I'm gonna wipe these off and then be right back. All right, so now let's go in with the Lemmy Green color, which I mean, it's very pretty. Like, I need to start doing what I do with like liner and just use it more, because then I'll be more comfortable like figuring it out and everything. One of the reasons that I like these is because I kind of feel like a cartoon when I wear them. Sailor Jen. Like, even though like I feel a little silly, I also just think it's adorable. So it's just cute. And feel free, I mean, don't be a dick about it, but like feel free like to give me some tips if I'm doing something correctly as far as my brows go. I've never watched a tutorial on them. I'm just learning as I go. I'm just trying to figure it out. Like raising kids or driving. I don't know why, I just think these are so cute. So what do you guys think? I think they're quite fun. Like, when I look at them in the pots, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna look ridiculous. And then I put them on and I kind of love them. I realize these aren't for everybody, but I mean, if you have like black or dark brown or blonde hair, like you can get away with so many colors. I'm actually thinking of maybe getting the purple color that she has, just to kind of play around with it, because I feel like that might actually work a little bit too. So that was it. What did you guys think? I think these are really cute and definitely worth trying out. I mean, as you can see, like I am not a pro at brows by any means, but I think these were very easy to apply. I mean, you just need an angled brush and a little bit of patience. All right, I'm messing with my hair. It's getting on my nerves. Let me know what you guys think, which color you like the best, what kind of eye looks you would wear with either or. Let me know in your comments below. I think I actually want to try to ombre the two. Maybe like green in the front, pink in the back, vice versa. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.